Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that's perfect for anyone looking to achieve a natural sun-kissed glow without the harmful effects of UV rays. The Norvell Premium Sunless Tanning Solution in Double Dark, 128 fl.oz. Whether you're a sunless tanning newbie or a seasoned pro, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. This product is designed to work with airbrush and HVLP systems, making it a go-to for both at-home tanners and professionals. It's formulated to give you that just-off-the-beach glow, no matter your base skin tone. Let's break it down and see how it performs. The Norvell Premium Sunless Tanning Solution contains DHA, or dihydroxyacetone, which is the active ingredient in most sunless tanning products. DHA reacts with the amino acids in your skin to create a brownish tint, mimicking the appearance of a natural tan. What sets Norvell apart is the quality of DHA used in the formulation. The company emphasizes that the DHA is high quality, ensuring a deeper, longer-lasting tan. In addition to DHA, this formula includes natural enzymes to help repair and hydrate skin, enhancing the overall tanning experience. It also locks the DHA within the skin's upper layer where it works best, which helps the tan last longer. But there's more. This formula is free from parabens, gluten, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic fragrances, and petrochemicals. So if you're someone who's concerned about those ingredients, this product should fit well into your beauty routine. It's also worth mentioning that the solution is fragrance-free with a pleasant raspberry almond essence. This combination helps to neutralize that typical sunless tanning smell, which is often a big downside for many users. Instead of masking the odor, it encapsulates it, leaving you with a much more pleasant experience. When it comes to real-world testing, I tried the Norvell Double Dark solution with my at-home airbrush system. The application was smooth and easy. The product blended seamlessly into my skin, and I was immediately impressed with the natural-looking color it left behind. The bronzers in the solution provide an instant color, so you get that tan look right away. But the true results didn't develop fully until about 18 hours later. It's important to note that you should avoid water, sweat, and chlorinated pools for at least 8 to 18 hours after application, depending on your activities, to ensure the DHA has enough time to develop fully. As for texture, the solution wasn't too thick or runny, which made it easy to work with. I didn't experience any streaks or uneven spots, which can sometimes happen with self-tanners, especially when using airbrush systems. The color it left on my skin was deep and golden, exactly what you'd expect from a double dark formula, but still looked natural and not orange or overly intense. It didn't feel sticky or greasy after application, and I could go about my day without feeling uncomfortable. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: long-lasting results. The tan developed beautifully and lasted for about 5 to 7 days, which is standard for sunless tanners. Fragrance-free with odor control. The raspberry almond essence worked wonders at neutralizing that typical tanning smell, which was a huge plus. High-quality DHA. The quality of the DHA in this product ensures a deeper, longer-lasting tan without the typical orange undertones. Hydrating. The inclusion of natural enzymes helps to hydrate and repair dry skin, which is an added benefit for anyone with skin that tends to get dehydrated. Cons: requires patience. You need to wait for the DHA to develop, which means no showering, sweating, or swimming for at least 8 hours. If you're in a rush, this could be a downside. Not the most budget-friendly. While it's a good value for those who use tanning solutions regularly or professionally, it may be a little pricey for those who just want an occasional tan. In terms of value for money, Norvell's Premium Sunless Tanning Solution is a great option if you're looking for professional-grade results. While it may be on the higher end of the price spectrum, the quality and longevity of the tan justify the investment, especially for people who tan frequently or run tanning businesses. If you're just looking for an occasional glow, there are definitely more affordable alternatives that can give you similar results, but they may not have the same level of quality or longevity. When comparing to other professional-grade tanning solutions, Norvell stands out for its odor-neutralizing formula and natural tan results. Some alternatives might be less expensive, but they often don't offer the same level of hydration or depth of color. For those with sensitive skin or a preference for clean beauty products, Norvell's commitment to avoiding harmful chemicals makes it a top contender. As for build quality, the packaging of the Norvell solution has undergone a redesign, though the formula remains the same. The new packaging is sleek and easy to use, with clear labeling that makes it easy to identify. Given the size, 128 fl.oz, this is a bulk purchase, so it's more suited to regular tanners or professionals rather than casual users. If you're looking for alternatives, products like Saint Aint Tropez Self-Tan Bronzing Mousse or Bondi Sands Self-Tanning Foam offer similar results at a lower price point, though they might not provide the same level of natural-looking color or odor control. To wrap up, the Norvell Premium Sunless Tanning Solution Double Dark offers an excellent professional-level tan with a natural-looking finish. It's perfect for those who want a deep, golden glow that lasts and are willing to wait for the DHA to fully develop. If you're in the market for a high-quality, clean beauty tanning solution, this one is a solid choice. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.